Hello everyone, welcome back to Nail Art by Nessa. I am Vanessa, also known as Nessa. In this video we will be continuing our AliExpress stamping nail art haul. This video will be dedicated to KADS stamping plates. I think I'll have to do 2 videos as I have a lot of packages from KADS. This one here has 18 plates. So we'll start with these ones in this video, and maybe in the next video continue with the larger package. Alright, let's start with this one. So this first one I ordered May 27th. It arrived June 24th, and I paid $4.06 for this one plate. And all of these plates come from the KADS official store. Alright, so this plate, it's an aquatic plate, so KADS Ocean 010, sorry. So you've got the waves and the water, and then all the like sort of sea foam that goes along the edges. So all of these pair together, so it's almost like the whale with bubbles around him. You've got a mermaid with bubbles. Yeah. It's pretty cute. I really like all these seashells down here. Okay, next package. I ordered this one in May 1st, and it didn't arrive till August. It was refunded because it did take so long, and it was originally I paid $16.41 including shipping, and these are Canadian prices once again. Okay, so in this package for $16.41, I got 4 plates, but really they were free because it was refunded. Okay, so we have a Halloween plate here. It's very cute. I really like this sort of scene here and all the pumpkins, and just be able to make your whole nail into a pumpkin. I think is pretty cute. Or you can stitch it up. Okay. This one is, oh, I forgot to mention the number on that one. So that one was KADS Halloween 04. And this one is KADS Travel number 9. And it is an Africa plate. So you have some tribal dancing, different African animals. There's a nice giraffe there. Yeah, it's a really pretty plate. Okay, next, KADS Chinese number 22. This one's really pretty with the different clouds. You got some water. You've got a tree. So with this tree, you can add the different layers. The cherry blossoms. Yeah, really pretty. Okay, and the last one is a KADS Christmas number 17. Even though this is a Christmas plate, I feel like it definitely has like birthday stuff with the balloons here and the confetti. In fact, I might try to do my nails with something like this because my birthday is coming up at the end of the month. Alright, on to our next package. So this next package, once again, KADS official store. I ordered it June 4th. It came August 20th. And I paid $8.46. And I have 2 plates. Okay, the first one, KADS Fashion number 60. And this one, it's kind of neat. So you kind of have like water, reflective water, or like marbling. And then you have the different layers of the reflected water here. And then you have have some Chinese writing, I guess. Huh. I don't know what any of those say. All right, next. Oh yeah, so this is a really cool plate. I'll definitely have to demo this one. With this one, you can layer the pieces together, and it makes really cool images. Yeah. Right. Oh, and did I mention the number on that one? That was KADS Geometry number 14. Okay, next package. KADS official store. This cost me $11.77. I ordered it August 24th and it arrived September 8th. So this is the newest ones I ordered. Okay. So KADS Immaturity 18. And this one is all math and geometry, which is really cool. Would have been a good one for back to school. I just wasn't ready to start filming it. I really like these ones here. Okay. So KADS Ocean number 11. Really love the fish that you can layer there. But also all of these scenes. So you can layer the different scenes together to create sort of a neat image. Yeah, really like that. Okay, KADS Chinese number 24. And this one, they sort of showed it as a sort of watercolor painting. So I thought that was really neat and kind of wanted to copy it. But I really love the bamboo and like the water lilies and stuff. So we'll have to try this one out too. If there's any of the particular plates you would like to see a tutorial on first, please let me know in the comments. So KADS Fashion number 72. This one kind of reminds me of Girl Guides for some reason. But otherwise, yeah, these are really cool. Just really nice little designs to put on your nail. Just simple. Okay, and last, KADS Chinese number 25. And this one is just like French manicure type things, really pretty designs, some flames. I wouldn't have thought of this one as particularly Chinese, but yeah, really pretty. Okay, and we'll say this is the last package for this video. We have quite a few plates in here. There are 11 plates here. This cost me $37.11, including shipping. I ordered it May 12th and it arrived July 31st. And once again, that's from the KADS official store. Okay, so first, KADS Summer number 1. I was really excited about this one, which is the lines to make your nail look like a watermelon, and then the seeds. That was super cute. Just everything watermelon. If you know me, you know I love watermelon. I just love to eat it. Okay. KADS Nature number 2. So it's kind of all rainy scenes. It's kind of similar to another plate that I opened in one of my other videos. But I was living in Vancouver, so it just seemed appropriate. They call Vancouver the rainy city. Yeah. Okay. Next. So KADS Chinese number 9. I really love cherry blossoms. So I got this one, all the different cherry blossoms. Okay, KADS Nature number 1. And this one is all butterflies that layer together, so each one layers. Yeah, really pretty butterflies. Okay. So KADS Min, number 26. I don't know. Maybe because they're just small nail images, I'm not sure. But they're all different types of water, as you can see. Bubbles, sort of like you drop something in the water. I'm sure you could layer a couple of these to make it like a marble look. All right, KADS Fashion number 52. This is for all the soccer moms out there. Yeah, I really like how you can layer the jerseys and the ball. Your skateboard, you can make it different colors. So lots of different options. Football. Your basketball, baseball, volleyball, tennis ball. Yeah, a little bit of everything. It's pretty cute. This one I opened it because I was going to do my nails with it, but then I decided to wait. So this one I actually haven't even tried nail polish on yet. But it is really cool pop art. I really want to try the Marilyn Monroe image. And also this girl, it's pretty neat with the different layers and the lips and everything. Color everything in. The rose looks really pretty. Yeah. So that was fashion number 38. Okay, KADS Nature number 28. Once again, these are scenes that you can layer together. For your different scenes, you've got different stars, you've even got balloons, what do you call those? Hot air balloons. And bats flying. Yeah. Oh, and did I say KADS Nature number 28? Okay, KADS Travel number 2. And this one is all Egyptian, which I know we opened another one the other day with Egyptian, but these ones I think are a little bit smaller, so they will fit on the nail a little bit better. So I guess it just depends on how big your nail is. Yeah. And this next one I have actually tried out. So KADS Nature number 11. I found this wave turned out really nicely. And we can do a demo. Just leave a comment if you would like to see a demo of this one. And last but not least, KADS Fashion number 36. And these are just all these little gems. However, I did notice this one seems to have a little flaw in it. You can see how there's this extra cut that comes across here. It's not meant to be in there. Okay, now I do have one more plate I wanted to show you. This one I actually missed in my last video. I did all the Pick You stamping plates that came in the little bit larger package. And this one I just somehow missed when we were opening. So I thought I'd show it to you today. And this one's similar to the KADS one we were just looking at with the water. It's just slightly different waves. And then this one also has the little droplets falling into the water, which I thought was really neat. These ones are a little bit different, so I'm sure I can mix and match just to make it like if you wanted to have every nail with some kind of water on it. Yeah. Okay, and that's all for this video. For the next video, we will open these 2 packages. And like I said, this one has 18 plates in it. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.